Lunch would be what I call the big ass salad here, but this is one of my favorite meals of the day, always has been, kind of the basis of my entire eating strategy. So this is my breakfast. This is what I start the day with. And it's basically a giant bowl of mixed vegetables. I've got broccoli, I've got red bell peppers in here, some cherry tomatoes, some radishes, a slice of avocado, maybe some nuts, some tuna for protein on this. And if you look at this bowl and you thought, well, you know, if you're keto, don't you have to have like fat all the time? Isn't keto about like a bacon cheeseburger with no bun? Isn't it about, you know, adding butter to steak and all the ways in which you can increase the amount of fat? No, it's not necessarily about that. It's about reducing carbs, but still having nutrient-dense foods. So in the case of a big-ass salad, I've got all my micronutrients are in there, all of the you know, the vitamins, the minerals, some of the phytonutrients, and the nutrition that's missing from steak and eggs and fat-containing protein. Lots of fiber. So when I have this salad, I'm looking at, even in this bowl, there's probably only about 20 grams total of carbohydrate. There's protein in the form of whatever I chose to put on top. In this case, it's tuna, but it could be chicken, it could be steak from last night, it could be you know, some piece of salmon or whatever, and about 25 grams of protein, maybe 30 at most. And then what I do is I take this Primal Kitchen salad dressing, in this case the balsamic, which is my new favorite. Each one of them when they come out is my new favorite. But the idea behind this was to impart great taste and healthy fats to whatever salad you're eating. So I don't use it sparingly. You know, I douse it. I douse the salad with it because I know that the more dressing I'm putting on, A, up to a point, the better it's going to taste, and B, it's going to impart healthy fats. So now I've created what I would suggest is the perfect keto meal.